The best wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver delivers cable-free, low-latency HD video, simplifying home entertainment, presentations, gaming, and professional AV setups. My today's video is about top 5 best wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting its Bony Transair 4 USB-C wireless HDMI transmitter. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver stands out with a true plug-and-play design that eliminates the hassle of software installation, Wi-Fi configuration, or Bluetooth pairing. The transmitter draws power directly from compatible USB-C devices, making setup remarkably clean and convenient, while the receiver only needs a power source. It delivers crisp 4K at 30 Hz video with excellent clarity for presentations, videos, and productivity tasks, and a unique portrait and landscape rotation support adds flexibility for modern workflows. The built-in USB-C docking station is another major advantage, allowing simultaneous charging and USB peripheral connectivity without sacrificing performance. With a stable dual-band 5 GHz plus 2.4 GHz wireless connection, it provides low-latency transmission up to 165 feet in open environments, making it ideal for conference rooms, classrooms, and home offices. Wide compatibility with USB-C DP alt mode and Thunderbolt devices, plus mirror and extend display modes, ensures versatile use. Efficient cooling, a magnetic design, and the included storage bag make this kit highly portable and reliable for professionals. Now our second product is IMABO Wireless HDMI Transmitter. The IMABO 2026 Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver is a versatile solution for cable-free streaming across modern devices. Its standout feature is broad compatibility, allowing seamless wireless transmission from laptops, gaming consoles, media players, and PCs to AR glasses, portable monitors, TVs, and projectors. The dual HDMI and USB-C design ensures it works with both legacy and next-generation devices, making it an excellent choice for home entertainment and professional presentations. Setup is refreshingly simple with true plug-and-play operation, no Wi-Fi, apps, or complicated configuration required. The stable dual-band 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz wireless technology delivers smooth, low-latency video transmission up to 165 feet, while support for protected streaming services enhances everyday usability. The built-in 5,000 mAh battery enables portable use without constant power access, and the receiver's AirPlay, Miracast, and DLNA support adds even greater flexibility. With the ability to pair multiple transmitters, solid accessories, and a generous 24-month warranty, this kit offers outstanding value for work, travel, gaming, and immersive AR experiences. Our third product is Futao Wireless HDMI Transmitter. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is an excellent choice for users seeking fast, reliable, and clutter-free screen sharing. Its true plug-and-play design eliminates the need for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth pairing, apps, or complicated setup, allowing devices to connect in seconds. Zero-drop technology delivers impressively low-latency performance, making presentations, video streaming, and gaming feel smooth and responsive. With an extended wireless range of up to 328 feet and advanced 5 GHz plus 2.4 GHz dual-band transmission, the connection remains stable even in demanding environments. Support for 4K decoding and crisp 1080p Full HD at 60 Hz ensures vibrant visuals with sharp detail, while the built-in LDS antenna enhances signal speed and reliability. Mirror and extend display modes provide flexibility for work, education, and entertainment, letting users adapt to different scenarios with ease. Despite its powerful capabilities, the transmitter and receiver remain lightweight and portable, making them perfect for travel, business meetings, classrooms, home theaters, and creative workspaces requiring dependable wireless display performance. Now number 4, Kazoo Upgraded Wireless HDMI Transmitter. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver offers an impressive combination of convenience, performance, and versatility for both professional and home use. Its true plug-and-play design requires no Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or app installation, allowing users to connect devices in seconds while eliminating cable clutter. The dual-band 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz wireless technology provides a stable transmission range of up to 328 feet in open spaces, making it well-suited for conference rooms, classrooms, and entertainment setups. Supporting 4K decoding with smooth 1080p/60 Hz video output, it delivers sharp visuals and synchronized audio with minimal latency for presentations, streaming, and gaming. Mirror and extend display modes enhance productivity by supporting multiple workflow scenarios, while broad compatibility with laptops, cameras, TV boxes, compatible smartphones, projectors, monitors, and HD TVs adds flexibility. The included micro HDMI and mini HDMI adapters increase device compatibility right out of the box. Backed by a 12-month replacement guarantee and responsive customer support, this kit provides dependable value and everyday reliability. And our last choice is Auxvable Wireless HDMI Transmitter. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is designed for users who want premium wireless performance without complicated setup. Its true plug-and-play operation connects in under 10 seconds, requiring no Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, apps, or additional configuration. Zero-drop technology delivers exceptionally low-latency transmission, making it an excellent choice for gaming, business presentations, live streaming, and home entertainment. With an impressive wireless range of up to 400 feet, the advanced 5.8 GHz and 2.4 GHz dual-band system, combined with dynamic stability equalizer technology, maintains a reliable connection even in signal-heavy environments. The device supports 4K decoding and produces smooth, detailed visuals, while AI-powered noise reduction enhances image clarity without sacrificing natural textures. Its professional-grade video processing, including 10-bit 4:2:2 color support and optimized HDR signal handling, delivers richer colors, deeper contrast, and a more immersive viewing experience. Mirror and extend display modes provide excellent flexibility for multitasking, presentations, and media playback, making this wireless HDMI kit a powerful, dependable solution for both professional and everyday use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.